Hello and welcome, or welcome back to D.I.Y Beauty Angel. Today we're going to talk about an important topic, zero waste beauty. Don't worry, going green won't dull your shine. I've got 10 genius tips for you to stay glam while being environmentally conscious. Let's get started. First, let's start with D.I.Y beauty solutions. Have you ever wondered, what are some natural or organic alternatives to the beauty products I use? Creating your own beauty products is likely the answer. By doing so, you not only control what goes into your products, but also minimize packaging waste. And you have come to the right channel because it is our goal to help you discover and create those DIY solutions for your beauty regimen. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. It's free, but it is worth so much to the growth of this channel. Next up, repurposing glass containers. Maybe you can relate to the feeling of not having enough room to put all of your stuff. So, before you throw away your glass jars and bottles after using up their contents, think about repurposing them. It is by far a better way of preserving natural ingredients than plastic. And here are some ways I use glass jars and bottles because I use them for a multitude of things. Let me show you a few examples. I use glass to store my dried herbs, infused oils, my homemade ciders. I propagate my plants as decor and even use them as travel containers for my skincare routine. Refillable perfume bottles. Instead of buying new perfume bottles every time, consider using refillable perfume bottles. Many brands offer this option, allowing you to reduce waste by simply refilling your favorite scent. I like to make my own scents as well to put in these beautiful containers. Zero waste tip number 4, let's talk about silk or satin hair accessories. I love to decorate my hair with scarves and bows. If you like to as well, silk or satin hair accessories are not only gentle on your hair, but also better for the environment. Unlike traditional hair ties that are made of plastic, these alternatives are made from natural fibers and can be composted at the end of their life. My 5th tip, coincidentally, is to use your 5 fingers for makeup application and hair detangling. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the best one. Instead of relying solely on makeup brushes or hair tools, consider using your fingers for makeup application and hair detangling. This not only reduces waste, but also allows you to feel more connected to your beauty routine. Finger detangling is also a way to reduce hair breakage. My next suggestion is wooden solutions. I know using fingers is not everyone's cup of tea, so here are solutions to consider when you're about to buy beauty tools for your beauty routine. As you transition to more zero waste methods, consider buying bamboo makeup brushes as a sustainable and biodegradable alternative. You can also treat your tresses with care using wooden combs and hairbrushes that also have natural bristles. Don't forget dental hygiene. Choose a bamboo toothbrush, eco-friendly and fast to decompose. Sustainable and organic makeup. Brands with refillable products. Zero waste doesn't mean zero glam. Choose to look out for sustainable and organic makeup brands that offer refillable products. There are brands out there that often have options where you can replenish your favorite products without repurchasing the whole package, thereby reducing unnecessary waste. Microfiber washcloth for makeup removal and face washing. Though your hands work well with the right cleansers to remove dirt and makeup, consider using a microfiber washcloth for makeup removal and face washing. Microfiber are more gentle on the skin and can be reused multiple times. Plus, it helps reduce the number of disposable makeup wipes that end up in landfills. Natural loofahs and bath sponges. Another easy switch you can make is using natural loofahs and bath sponges instead of plastic loofahs. They are biodegradable and sustainable options that provide great exfoliation for your body. The final zero waste solution is using cleansing bars for your skin and hair. These bars often come with minimal or no packaging, making them a great eco-friendly option. For example, this 3-in-1 bar by Carethic can be used for your body, face, and hair. It's made with my favorite ingredients like shea butter, rasul clay, coconut oil, and has a bunch of eco-approved certifications that also gets my seal of approval. Not only is this a great beauty solution for your skin and hair, but think of all the space you will have without having a bunch of plastic bottles hogging up your space. Now you know the basics of how to make a sustainable beauty regimen work for you. Remember, it can be the small steps that make a difference. By making these eco-friendly choices, we can all contribute to a cleaner and greener planet.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Join our community on a journey to radiant beauty powered by nature. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. We can't wait to hear from you. See you soon.